Alright, my dears, now this weekend Bath & Body Works has a few locations that they opened up, and they had a 75% sale. You know what that did to me, right? 75%? Because Bath & Body Works is kind of expensive, and I was like, you know what? I need some hand soap. I ran out. I'll just get one. Maybe they have a buy one get one situation, and I can go ahead and get that done. Because it went to Bath & Body Works, the one that was actually open to me. There was a line. You had to wait. You had to wear a mask. Blah 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 blah. Yes, my dears, I said blah blah blah. And instead of coming out with 2 products, I came out with a full bag, my dears, a full bag. So I'm going to be doing an old-fashioned Bath & Body Works haul. So if you're interested in knowing what I got, oh, that's kind of heavy, in this big, heavy Bath & Body Works haul, and my recommendations, some products I've tried, some products I'm kind of interested in trying, then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching on this Bath & Body Works 75% off sale. No shame. No shame now. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really, really appreciate it. Now, today I'm going to go into the old-fashioned hauls, except it's not really makeup haul, it's other products haul, but it's still beauty, it's still nice and elegant, you know, it's still falls into that range of taking care of yourself. That's what I think of it. Take care of yourself. Hashtag take care of yourself always. Now, I know what you're looking at me for. Enid, did you forget we're in a pandemic? We cannot spend anything. Nothing! I know. I promise I was going to go in there for like one thing. 2 max. They work out that way, 75% off. The prices were much lower than usual. It happened. It happened. Okay, it happened. It wasn't so bad. I promise. It wasn't so bad. And I did get some things for friends and family too, so but before we begin, I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing and remember to push the little notification bell, because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And remember to follow me on all my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Snapchat. And it all has the exact same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enid for my acting. I haven't acted in a while, but let's face it, who has? Just saying, who has? Now, a little mini explanation. Enid is my first name, blue is my favorite color, but I'm also blues and jazz singer. I am working on my covers right now, and I will have a couple coming out soon, so I think you would be quite surprised. And a couple of things are on hold, but I'm hoping by 2021, by how things look like, I can start performing live. So I would really, really, really appreciate your support for the future. So for no further ado, I will hush and let's go into this Bath & Body Works 75%, yes my dears, that's a 75% haul of what I got. Alright my dears, now I'm gonna, in no particular order, that's right, I said no particular order, this bag is 7, there's a particular reason why this is 7, but I'm gonna take out everything that's in this bag and I'm gonna tell you why I bought it. I don't know the prices on top of my head, so I'll probably put it up here somewhere. The original price to slash the half price. So, I don't have too bad. It wasn't too bad of a damage. So, let's begin this haul, shall we? Let's begin this haul. Now, as I stated in the video, my whole intention of going to Bath & Body Works was to get hand soap. Yeah, I did a great job about that, didn't I? Now, to give me credit, I did buy hand soap. One of the ones that I just opened up, yes, I said one of. It's the Bath & Body Works Fresh Cut Lilacs Cream.
Alright my dears, this is Editing Enid here. I'm just wanting to let you know ahead of time, there are some parts here in my video that for some reason the camera blurs, but then it goes back to normal. I don't know, and since I'm on the other side, I didn't know it was doing that. So you may see that once in a while. I don't know how to edit that. I don't know if you can edit that. So I just wanted to give you a heads up, and I do apologize, but you will see things clearly. It's just my camera got weird. So heads up. Sorry.
Luxe hand soap. I mean, just take a look at the bottle. It's plastic, obviously, but the design is nice, 3D like. And let me read you what the back says. Creamy Luxe. I mean, come on. Like, that's not something to get your attention. And it has sparkles. Look at it. It has sparkles, my dears. Yes. Basically, it's lilac bouquets, dewy greens, and soft spring air. It has vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils. Especially with this whole pandemic situation, we need all that, my dears. Specialized formulated to condition the hands and clean after each wash. To clean hands and wash away germs. Yes. Wet hands, apply the soap, work into rich lather for at least 20 seconds and rinse well. So what it's telling me is that I don't know how to wash my hands. Apparently. I'm just kidding. I just got it for the color and creaminess. And I have been using it a couple of times. It's so nice on the hands. It's so nice, my dears. So this is definitely no regrets. The next, we're going with the theme here. Hand soap that I got. It's this Bath & Body Works Cucumber Melon Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with Essential Oils. Are you getting the theme here? Essential oils? Yeah. Now this one's foamier. I just like the cucumbers because I know that's good for your skin. I think melon is too, but I don't exactly know why. But this is what it says in the back, my dears. Crisp cucumber, watery honeydew, and juicy cantaloupe. Made with vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils, just like the other one. And basically, gently foam delivers a rich lather to wash away dirt and germs. So, the difference between that one and this one, let me actually show this. This does not foam, my dears, but this does, as you can tell from the bottle, like I have to explain to you, right? This foams, and I like foamy things, and I saw cucumber, and it was on sale. I mean, it's not like these are going to go to waste. I will use hand soap, believe me. I'm especially with this pandemic, this is going to be gone quickly, my dears, because I wash my hands a lot. So, yeah. Cucumber? No. You think I'm done, my dears? Oh, no. Another hand soap that I got. See, in my defense, I did get hand soap. Except I didn't imagine to get hand soaps. But believe me, I do have other stuff in here than just hand soaps, believe me. This one is the Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar Creamy Luxe Hand Soap made with essential oils. Warm vanilla sugar. And this is the same thing, vitamin E, shea extract, aloe essential oils. And it's creamy vanilla and sparkly sugar crystals. If you can tell from the one I'm currently using, they're basically the same bottle. They're both glittery, they look fancy, and you can feel the glitters. It's just different scents, and it just looks more luxe and beautiful, and I ain't gonna lie, that's the only reason I bought it. It just looks luxe, voila. And it's Bath & Body Works, it's not like it's gonna go bad. So, yeah. My last hand soap that I got, my dears, is this Bath & Body Works Coconut Colada. I think that's a drink. See, I don't drink, so I'm not quite sure, but Coconut Colada. And this is also a foaming soap. So I got even. I got 2 of the Luxe Cream and 2 of the foaming. And this one is creamy coconut, frozen lemon, and vanilla musk. Same thing, vitamin E, shea extract, aloe, and essential oils. So yes. So these 4, my dears, are the hand soaps I got in this haul. I got more things. The next thing that I got is the Bath & Body Works Moisturizing Body Wash. Moisturizes after 1 shower. I got it in coconut. Now, if you don't know me, or the people that do know me, and if you don't know me, I'm obsessed with coconut. I know there are some people that are really allergic to coconut, but coconut does well for my skin. And when I drink coconut, I bathe in coconut. My dear, I don't know if you know this, but I'm from El Salvador, and a lot of our plants are filled with coconuts. And probably why my body loves it. I don't know. It's with shea butter and cocoa butter. Seeing the theme here? Are you seeing the theme here? Shea. Now, I'm going to read you what it says in the back. Shea butter plus coconut oil, coconut butter. Instantly hydrating, rich, creamy lather. Amazing feel and fragrance. Oh, my dears. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out of the shower because let me get a little bit out. Ooh, it's nice and soft and it is pretty. Alright, and this is cute. Lather, rinse, drop coconuts. Not tested on animals. Woo! So yeah, I just bought one. I shower, my dears. I hope you shower too. And I go through soap. I've tried bar soaps. I go to Olay. I go to Dove. I try a lot of things. So I'm sure I'm gonna run out because right now I'm using the Olay one, but I'm sure I'm gonna run out of that. I have backup, my dears. I have backup. And if I like this, I may buy some more. But you guys know I do declutter, so we'll all find out and I'll give you a review in a future video. I got Wallflower home fragrance refills. Fragrances, yes. Now, in the scent that I got this time, I got cinnamon sticks. Now, I tried to repair these as much as humanly possible. And the reason being is because I like my home to smell really nice and fresh. And I had someone come into my home today telling me, your house smells very welcoming. So, hence why I go to Bath & Body Works a lot. Yeah. Yeah, let's go with that answer. That's why I go to Bath & Body Works a lot. Yes. So this is not the only scents that I buy. In today's haul, all I have is the cinnamon stick. But I usually would get the scents of lemon or eucalyptus. But lately with this weather and everything, the home seems a lot better. Especially with the little critters and bugs. I'm not a bug person. I'm going to let you know that right now. I am not a bug person. Bugs do not like lemon scents. Bugs don't like lemon scents, my dear, nor do they like anything cinnamon. So, I literally have one of these little plugs in each room of my apartment, my dears. I was a house, but I don't have a house, hence why I film outside. But, in my apartment, I have these everywhere. So I want to make sure there's no little nasty little critters get into my home. So, yeah, I got cinnamon sticks. And I have 2 in the cupboard right now, and they're lemon. So, I'm prepared, my dears. I'm prepared. Now, don't fret. We got 3 more things left. I know. You're going to be like, it doesn't look like you got that much. You're going to see where the bag is heading, my dears. Alright, my dears. My obsession of going to Bath & Body Works a lot are the candles because I'm a candleholic. I ain't glad I'm a candleholic. I know. I just said. And I got some candles. This was from White Barn. It's Paris Cafe. Scented candle made with essential oils. Are you seeing the theme of this video? See, it just occurred to me. Essential oils. And I like this because, my dears, I wish I could whiff you the smell. Oh my god, it's my favorite candle in there. I always try to get this one every time I go in there or order online. Because lately I've been ordering online, but they take absolutely forever. Because it smells like just coffee. And Paris, that's a location I've always wanted to go to. I would like to go to Paris and Italy and I love the whiff, my dear. See, this is my piece. If I need relaxation, just give me a candle, my dears. That'd be the best gift. Like, if you ever want to send me anything, send me a candle. So this is like one of my favorites. And with the sun, of course I got it, my dears. Of course. And I got more. The next candle that I got is the Bath & Body Works Marble Toffee Scenic Candle made with essential oils. Shocking, I know. Oh. So, I swear, this is the whole thing that makes me relax and just fall in peace. Because I'm a very stressful person. I don't really relax that much. Yeah, I gotta work on that. I love this because it smells just like chocolate. Maybe mix them with some sugar, some gingerbread. Sorry, I forgot I was doing a video for a minute. Yes. Told you, I only get my favorite candles. So a lot of the candles that I get there, if it's for me, because I'm going to tell you the other ones in a minute. Yes, there's more. I know. I like coffee scented and chocolate scented candles. So if I have any of those, you know they're just for me. So this is absolutely fantastic. It has that coffee scent because I tend to drink 3 to 4 cups of coffee a day. Yeah, so this is the other candle I got. Last but not least, my dears, the last candle and product sadly that I got is mint chocolate with essential oils. It's mint chocolate with, say it with me, with essential oil. If you said that, you're right. You're right on. You're paying attention. Good job. So, mint chocolate. Do I have to say more? Coffee and chocolate. And I haven't had this candle at all. Like, I would think this would be more for like Christmas, because I love the design and everything. And what I do with these candles is I try to take the wax out and then use them for like makeup brushes or for lipsticks, or because I have a lot of lipsticks I'm still trying to go through. The thing about this mint chocolate though, like the other two candles are very strong. This one is very mild. Oh, wait, no. It's mild, but you have to really sniff it to catch the smell because it sneaks up on you. Now, I've never lit this one before. Well, let's see how this goes. And that, my dears, are all the products I got in my bath and body haul. So, let me know below if you went into the sale and went a little bit overboard like me. Let me know. Comment below. Let me know if you tried any of these products. Do you like them? Do you not? Did you discover something like, I didn't think of that. Ooh, I learned something new. Hold on. Let me know in the comments below. Also, it's a very, very slim chance, but while I was in Bath & Body Works this Friday, there was a young lady that I was waiting in line. I didn't have any of my makeup on. I looked regular, you know, just t-shirts and jeans. My hair was in a ponytail and that's it. And we were waiting in line, right? Well, there's this young lady, very sweet, and we just started talking about makeup and everything else, and she was very, very sweet. I did let her know about my channel, so, but if you're watching, I do apologize. I did not catch your name. I am so sorry. But if you're watching, I want to say thank you. It was a pleasure to meet you. And it was pleasant for that lovely week because that wait in line wasn't so bad. And you are absolutely incredible. Just letting you know. Just in case you're watching. And in case you are watching, feel free to comment below what your name was because I never got it. And I just want to say thank you. You're very pleasant. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And let me know if you like these type of hauls because this was just very, very unexpected, my dears. Very, very unexpected. But one last thing right before you leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you soon. And just to let you know, this is not sponsored by Bath & Body Works. They don't even know who I am. And I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.